This cake's gonna be large and in charge. Oh my god, scary, 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 scary. This is so much cake. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. It's my birthday this week. It is my birthday on the 11th, Leo season, baby. Happy birthday to us. And I want to attempt to make myself my own like hardcore birthday cake. And by make, I mean decorate. Well, okay, like borderline make. So I do have the pre-packaged mix for the actual cake contents. I'm gonna try and make my own buttercream. I've never made my own icing before, so going to attempt that today. I also grabbed a bunch of really cute food coloring colors so we can do icings in different colors. I went a little ham online shopping. I've got a fancy cake topper. I've got some edible gold leaf. I've got some edible little pearl sprinkles. Like the goal and the bar for this cake is probably set like 10 tiers too high and out of my very, very, very beginner cake decorating zone. So when I say hardcore, I mean like 4 tiers of cake. Like that's a lot of cake. I spent the night last night making my first 3 cakes. And again, by making, I mean the pre-packaged mix making of cake. So I've got 1 left to do right now. And while we pop those in the oven, we can start planning our cake decorating bonanza for a birthday celebration. It's also the week of Mia's birthday. She celebrated her birthday on the 1st. So I'm gonna give her a call later and hopefully she can come do a little mini cake celebration because again, 4 tiers of cake, like that's a shit ton of cake. It's a lot of cake. 1 more cake to go. Let's bake some cake. This is my 4th and 5th bag of these funfetti cake mixes. I basically have shopped my grocery store completely out of these cake mixes. So apologies to everyone in my neighborhood who's also attempting to make some funfetti birthday cake because it is all at my house. I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little ashamed of my lack of ability to crack an egg oh shit, there's definitely a shell in that one. I always see people cracking eggs with 1 hand and I aspire to be on that level, but I just don't think it's in the cards for me. We love a 3 ingredient cake recipe. I'm gonna be honest, like if I could choose my ideal birthday cake, this might be it. Honestly, this really might be it. I also have the palate of a 6-year-old, so that might have something to do with was that too much? No, wait, doubling the recipe. Oh my god, no, we're good, thank god. And that's it. This is the complexity level that my brain and cake baking skills require. Our cooking queen, Remy, has very graciously let me borrow her fancy mixer. I'm a little scared because I feel like if you don't pre-mix it, like would powder just shoot up into the air? Like I guess she's probably not putting like a pre-made powder into her mixer. Okay, so that's like a little like pre-mix to avoid like a mushroom cloud explosion of cake mix. Wow, the luxury of having a proper mixer. This is so fun. Miss Remy Ashton, we love you and we thank you for your contribution and I feel pretty professional right now. I want to be very clear, this is not going to be the aesthetically pleasing cooking video that you see on Remy's channel. Like, let's make that very clear. So when I say beginner cake maker, I mean like literally searching online last night how much of the cake pan that I fill up so it doesn't overflow but like still cook properly, and how to know how to do the toothpick thing to know when the cake is ready. Like that's the beginner level that we are talking about here. All right, we are doing it. Are you supposed to do this? Feels like I should like pop the air bubbles out. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the oven. There she goes. Wish her luck. Goodbye, see you in 45 minutes. Thank you to Google Pay for sponsoring this portion of my birthday video. Seriously, Google Pay, thank you. Happy birthday to me. You shouldn't have, but I'm glad you did. Google Pay is Google's approach to the future of money and payments. You can manage all of life's essential transactions with a ton of cool and super safe features. I am really not great at tracking how much I'm spending on a weekly or a monthly basis, and I don't really know what I'm spending it on. So we as a collective, and mostly me, we can strive for better. Google Pay shows you insights into your spending habits and shows you exactly where your money is going. One of my favorite features that you can search through your transactions. You can search by a business name, you can search by a friend's name that you've sent money to, and it just skips the hassle of having to like scan through bank statements. I am finally going back to Canada for my birthday to see my family. It's been 20 months since I've been home. And using Google Pay, I can see exactly how much this trip is gonna cost me. So searching through my transactions for the airline name and also the airport name to see like how much I spend on overpriced airport food. My favorite. Our expenses change as we get older, and Google Pay makes it easy to manage your money and spend on what actually matters to you. You work hard for your money, and one of the most important features is security. From phishing and fraud alerts to using authentication. For some reason I want to put an F in authentication, but I know that that's not right. From phishing and fraud alerts to authentication, like a PIN, pattern, fingerprint, or Face ID, you're ensuring that you are the only one who can make payments and send money. Thanks to Google Pay for sponsoring that portion of the video. Let's make some buttercream frosting. Okay, I lied. I'm stressed about buttercream, so I'm gonna cut my. This is an equally stressful parts. This one is super lopsided. Oh my god, scary, scary, scary. Okay, there's one. Oh my god, I've got, okay, 3 more. She's thick. This one is so much bigger for whatever reason. Definitely not a baker's error. I can't wait to watch this back and just realize how wildly lopsided these are from a different angle. Oh! Yeah. Oh my god. I don't know why I was like, let's make a 4-tier cake, as if 2 wouldn't be enough. So I had an error last night where it was a little underbaked and the middle sunk. I can't decide if it's better to be on the bottom. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what the damage is. It's fine. I think it's fine. It's fine. Our last layer. Something about pulling this back feels wrong. Like it feels like I'm committing an injury to something. This feels like math. Like this feels harder than it should be. This cake's gonna be large and in charge. Oh my god, this is gonna be huge. So, like why? Like this would have been so much cake here, just 2 layers. Like that's a lot of cake. And then I had to be an extra ass bitch and be like, let's do 2 more layers. Okay. It's buttercream time. I bought an emergency little tub of icing just in case something goes very, very wrong. But I got a recipe online that had really good reviews. And there's literally only 4 ingredients. These are famous last words. Like, how wrong could it go? These first 2 ingredients are gonna be really, really fun for my lactose intolerant stomach. Oh shit! Oh no! So we're gonna go with a little bit less vanilla-y. Oh wait, sift. What does sift mean again? Does sift have to go through the thingy? But does it? Guys, I got this baking kit that is literally so epic and has every single thing you could ever need. I'm gonna link it down below. I didn't wash it, but it'll be a little more flavor. We don't have enough vanilla, so this will be a little more flavor. An absolute professional. Oh my god, this is gonna take forever. Are you kidding me? This better be the best icing that the world has ever seen. Super sanitary. Super sanitary. Oh my god, y'all, sifting is no joke. My arm. Buttercream with a side of a little bit of sweat. Blood, sweat, and tears. This better be enough buttercream. I'll be so sad if we do this process all over again. Oh my god, it's literally making nothing. We might be breaking out the emergency fake icing. Not fake icing, the store-bought ice cream. Oh my god, icing. Okay, so the icing turned out good. I've got 2 batches that are ready to go, but just in case, I'm gonna use my fake stuff on the inside. Also, I just want everyone to know that I made my own cake board. I watched a very crash course tutorial on how to do everything in this process. So apologies in advance to all of the bakers that I'm going to offend today. I wish that I could be a part of your art. I just don't think it's in the cards for me. Oh my god, making a tiered cake, let's go. So we have to make a very sketchy transfer. Oh my god. I feel like this needs every ounce of brain power that I currently have. This is so much cake. Like I'm taking in as to like just how much cake I've made, and this is so much cake. Okay, wait, hang on. Logistics. I need to put cake dowels, and by cake dowels I bought boba straws, and then that goes on top, and then you're supposed to put something that goes all the way through the whole thing, but that seems like something that's like very out of my abilities. I don't know what to do. Okay, let's just think about this. Frost, transfer, frost, yeah, decorate. Oh my god, guys, this is my crumb coat. I want to like tip the cake on its side. Like I don't understand. This part is very confusing to me. I should have watched more beginner tutorials.
That looks pretty good.
This is not bad. That's really not that bad.
That's really good.
Woo! We're done, baby. This is so much cake. Okay, I'm gonna ice my little guy and then we'll figure out next steps from there. Not that I'm gonna enroll myself into Great British Bake Off, but like, this looks pretty good. It looks not bad. It's not offensive. That little pink scrapey thing, game changer, absolute game changer. I am using my very high-tech boba straws here to, oh my god, scary, 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 scary. So these are gonna be the supports underneath the other cake board of the smaller one. So I'm gonna do 4 of these. It's time to make a cake transfer and I'm just really stressed. I'm really stressed about this. I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, it's not great. It's not great. It's gotta go this way.
Oh, bro.
Oh, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving. Let's go. Wow, can't wait to be a guest judge on Baketopia because I'm a baker. Oh shit, there's definitely a shell in that one. I don't know what to do. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I didn't even tell you guys what my plan is. So I've been seeing these like paint cakes, which I feel like is very much my style. So I'm gonna mix up some colors of icing and then we're literally gonna paint the cake. Okay, we are transferred, we are iced. It's not gonna get any better than this. And also, because we're doing this whole like paint situation, I think that we can just cover any of like the imperfections and then cover it even more again with the cake topper, the little pearl sprinkles, some gold leaf. We're gonna see how this goes. Wish me luck. And contact. Oh, bitch, this is gonna look good. Oh my god, I'm sweating because Mia only has a 30-minute filming window and this cake is nowhere near ready to be eaten yet. Like, we still got pearls, I got gold leaf, I got cake toppers, but it's turning out pretty good. Also, like, why am I so sad that we have to cut into it soon? I also feel like I've been staring at it for so long now that I'm like, does this look good? I don't know. I anticipate having a completely black tongue and mouth if you get a little piece, like a slice that's got some black dots on it, but that's okay. It's the name of the game. A few more black dots and then pearls and then topper and then gold leaf and then eat. I'm tired, y'all. I also gave up on decorating the back half of this, so we've got our camera forward front here. I feel like I've got carpal tunnel in my hand from placing all of these little bead sprinkles individually and this gold leaf. So our last final touch is our little happy birthday little stick. Ding! Honestly, like, moving forward, give permission to any baker or cake artist to charge me $1 billion for a cake they make me because this shit took me so long and I'm still not happy with it. This did not need to be 4 tiers. It really didn't. I did the most and I have regrets. What are you doing? Are you gonna come in?
I don't know.
You made that so awkward! But not as awkward as our accidental matching shirts in literal black and white. I hate the cake. Now that I'm looking at it, I hate it.
So
no,
good.
I hate it. I literally hate it. I was looking at it in like when I was taking the thumbnail photo, I was like, I hate this cake.
It's amazing.
Now that I especially don't have an emotional attachment to it. Happy birthday to us, happy birthday to us, happy birthday to us, happy birthday to us. Woo! You wanna do the honors? Oh my god, oh my god. Ooh. Oh! That's a pretty nice slice of cake.
Yeah, I did that. I cut it.
That's not the worst piece of cake I've ever seen.
It looks good.
Cheers, bitch. Happy birthday to us. Leo season.
Oh, shit.
Oh, this is foyer. This is super home-baked cake mix.
Yeah, I can tell by the funfetti boxes over there.
Okay, so hate the way that it looks, love the way that it tastes.
Love the way it looks. Love the way it tastes.
I don't know if I'll ever make another cake again. This is so much cake.
What are you gonna do with it?
I'm gonna send you home with half of it right now. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. This will be my first and last cake video. Cake decorating video. I feel like making is too generous of a word for like what actually was executed in this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you guys on Tuesday for a new episode of the podcast and on the vlog channel and again on Sunday for another video. Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to us. Oh, bitch.